Put your baby to sleep using this weird noise. Can you imagine putting on a weird sound and have your baby enjoy restful sleep in minutes without waking up once? Now, neuro-researchers from the Stanford Sleep Lab have discovered the secret to making it happen, effortlessly, safely, and quickly. The sleep-inducing power of the sound lies in triggering a natural response from your little one's subconscious. And all you have to do is switch it on. That's how easy it can be to finally enjoy restful nights and see the surprising health benefits for your child. You'll be able to use it tonight. Discover how to do it by clicking the video link in the description below. If you got value from this video, comment "Put your baby to sleep" in the comments below, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified of all upcoming videos. Are you making these 3 mistakes when putting your baby to rest? Watch the video here to find out.